Akokwa. I didn't hear the pa. That's a good one.
Akokwa. What's me have branch.
Also you have branch here. What do you say? Me danger
sure. Well, you.
Menuya Poyando. Say anope ka de kana waso go Ghana phone nyina so. Cause some obeke kai no nyina na ka me akoye say ohunu say aban yi wo mu ani emwa Ghana fo. Eno nti ne kra nyina ne say kebeya Ghana fo ento aba entia eye NDC aban. Said ye beya wo mu beba abe take over. Light in Hunsensema or can wasabi.
Right.
As of late 2024.
Okay.
Mufria Bemo Muja Eka poly 70 billion Ghana cedis in the energy, sector. Sa 70 billion Ghana cedis na muja Osha Esla Sika Omotimeji was around 45 billion Ghana cedis. Esla energy sector levy. Womoji Sika poly 45 billion Ghana cedis. Woman Timian Yusu Sazika de Bio Antia Eka Womo Eburugu ho. Atimi Ahwenyankupo nim before leaving office. Bro Saka Pudo say 70 billion. One more person be just as a canon. Etimo created this mess. Namusa travel home you see this government say I mean blight who says some that you have no moral right.
But already no.
Yes.
They already government through the finance minister at the 1 CD levy and they are to fuel also just for the energy sector see between a revamp.
No me tell say so far be any previous administration se ka pudu a mojeje 45 billion Ghana cedis no. When me country Ghana for you, mudi sikade ye.
Okay.
Poya do man ti asiesa. Ka before say ka be asu agu Ghana for so no say wo mo home mo bo na wo mo pack MP NDC because ya bon no mo kofa mo na no. Wo say ka utimi make sure say sa ka kasika dudu na mo pudu na mo 70 billion no. Mo 45 billion na mo teacher sikade de manom spedede. Na mo di let's be serious in this country. Medie ya na ya say asat now. Ye jai MP before ama womanya no kasa. Eto de bia me dwene ho a I can't simply think far, I can't think madness. Because think ye shasi ema womo aso hyehyehye a enka amontimi nya no mpo no makasa wo krom ha
na se mo na tumi kura mo
yes and I'm sure say
mo ba nyina mo say I
am very convinced say ora be adwuma na se de esi konwa no na meri awo hu ewo ho because said the nyama say ko say otie MP before ya na buafu keke they say de ekoso nyina say nya kro ne senkrampo na eyesin amamuo bi a ye de Ghana for Ghana share NPP nsa 8 good years brother na me boy ye de o my Ghana share mo nsa 8 good years say mumra mesom akufo the president obedi nyina and wo ko demonstration hodo na ye ho kire nyina no ekowie Ghana sen busha kasia motete we are moving Ghana's economy from taxation to production ekowie asia no na say COVID levy no dey ahwe etrim
but obviously
listen
obviously
yes
nensemo reason
yes
we know said the economy we will see something
yes
abanya state junk but abanya bone homode am yet me about
yes
but realistically
yes
and someone no working FR1 rent any other staffs electricity who are working they are really issues I think we should be looking at how to handle them
the electricity matter I mean the PRC abekan wasem dada I mean, this could be technical issue. I correct it because no normal. Obi a complaining.
No, they're talking about the increment. Yeah. I mean the percentage increment
of what of electricity.
PURC. I think the 9% and 15%. Oh, no,
percentage. That's what I mean, we were in this country to make picture 28% and a certain government.
Yeah, that
so it's normal. It's normal. I mean, upon all this IMF conditionality, IMF part of their conditions. Say unto tum mrano. So wakoye sa agreement here. Na fi etitu man. Wako twa ho. And so person obedi o mai ebe scam that Ghana for ntino. Was say yeah bre. I think the Ghana for are becoming so discerning. The MPP for politics now they are way beyond that.
It's say right now because the IMF conditionality
yes.
Your utility the
government
yes. So we are hoping say as president by June or so, June, July thereabout, we're going to exit the IMF we hoping say increment because I no there Monsan should be answer. I'm hoping so.
Akokwa. Michelle Bo or Fedikesi so.
Right.
Mani mo nyamu nyame pa.
Right.
Me Ibrahim Ali ametu Fedikesi so. One way somewhere around 2027.
Okay.
By that time, na MPP ni bi antime mowa.
Adai.
For what I know as a member of the national communications team, meetings are hold wayeko ne hyehyɛ ban edi egu akwamo wase no se boma MPP party no begu kojo to yes, I'm telling you
national honor
me say
moachia
ye be yo man yi.
Okay.
President Mahama small kan you say busrebuka wo and I see MPP as a political party no. The next election, contest. They shouldn't contest. Woman ko say woman na mo ni obia sabo mi na mo de ba. Hey! No, listen. Me say MPP for there. E ba nyo be say na problem but I was shocked. Sir, upon all the men na mo sumo nyina no. Manya obia say Dr. Mamu ba mi
but 69 years on.
Yes.
Yeshe Ghana, your development.
Yes.
MPP Jahomam 2024. Basi Sabri, Mampenin Samo de Trujan. Wasa Mayen, Boshe Bibri, Waka Women Bank, say or more final stage, Eba. Waka education, Honsem, Waka trade, how are you be dija? I bet me. I quite to say, all my hopes. And now in Casa any munina no I say or may need that one but the expectations of Ghanaians
yes
so far on corruption on I mean the prices of a normal cost said yes and some more kind no saying that because and very serious issues.
Let's be very honest with ourselves as a nation. No credit eba kope. Me so a journalist.
Yeah.
Akonya woti so no entimi awon kasa.
Right.
But if you want to be very fair, realistic, and objective, you will be convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say, I fear Ghana for Edema. So I fear Ghana for the Maye. Modern bo abaya bo in terms of prudent economic management. Ne ahoto so about Ghana for so bia ho atodo no. When you compare the entire 8 years of the National New Patriotic Party. I admit. I admit. Just a moment. Just a moment. Maybe hold on. You see, I admit. Yes, there are challenges. They are. Who are those criticizing? No one about my MPP for. Mufri abemu. Muja mubo bosia puduo 700 billion Ghana cedis. Mobile toka 122 billion Ghana cedis. Mufi as of late 2024, that your public debt ending up almost 700 and something billion Ghana cedis.
No doubt about that. In the Fourth Republic.
No, I'm just
yes. So we agree.
Yes. So let's remind them so that they can stop talking.
But we expect
in the history of this country. No, I'm not sure they are yet. For now, let me tell the challenge, the problem they created. Domestic debt exchange program, okay.
DDP.
Yeah, ma minimum. Woman ya juma several years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. Munka na. Mo said adaya. Womusika was a self-atta woman. Mo fam woman. Shankrofua ewu ye. Can we bring those lives back? 2021 Auditor General Report. Sika chuchu die ira almost 12 billion across all ministry departments and agencies. Oko Audit Service 2021 report no. Contract for sales scandal in 2029. Okay, Papa CEO there or selling, government contract or to share Kalawela no was OCD.
No design.
CEO
is almost
PPA CEO, former CEO implicating something like J.
Okay.
What does it? So all this mess are creating. Money you are there like you feel like someone creative. When you no air kasa. As I'm talking to you now, Ghana we are here for woman say about prudent economic management. Ghana we Ghana say change. And now no kasa akwa. But
let's focus on the working.
Yes,
we agree.
Yes,
and no matter on the part of the MPP,
yes,
which we condemn.
So let me come to what we have done since we came.
But Mami Kasai, achievements, Enra, independence.
What's he say?
He talked about resetting and normal Omaye. Bebe say one. He talked about 24-hour economy. Or yes, factually, yes. Policy amoka asemo de beba.
Yes.
69 years on, one suma besum just a year any. Ye saying Women Bank Maboso. I've talked about so many things. I want you to center it because they're going to say, I say, yes, sir,
but see, I'll come there. It's part of my submission,
right?
But let you understand, sir. Over all the economic indicators are Amadis Women Development Bank, 24-hour economy.
Right.
The other promise are buying a year. You setting grounds no dada.
Okay.
So what I say, and then I'm no say inflation 3.3%. And then Saturday I'm no say inflation 3.3%. Somewhere around December 2024, I brought up free abemo.
Yeah.
Now inflation 23.8%.
Yeah.
She said they have to say who we better higher propaganda. Send you my boy Ghana for bra. The economic indicators will expose you. You were maybe Hana inflation was somewhere around 50-something% under the leadership of the economic, Brexit. And then the exchange rate. And then her unemployment rate, Mufia Bemune 14.7%, and the unemployment rate as of this today, Saturday, 13.0%. What did I say? So, Fapem President Oman the State of the Nation address no. What catch Ghana phone and I say they say 24-hour economy no so much here to be okay. And will roll this policy out. And I no man I promise yes say the beba no you be no man no be ama man day and a BI day aye. Timesre Ghana for say NDC enye kura na MPP. Ye boy a home day. And one said there are challenges, but I don't think say challenges are currently alternative, which is the MPP.
Right.
Because I'm about to say, Dr. Bomia, they say, government, what were they able to do apart from free SHS? Oh, I'm asking you.
Oh, so
Akwan. Now you what I say? Agenda 111. Say free SHS come the buy no crime, but oh, now SHS say me na me student senior prefect.
As answer say.
Me say
I know
me a senior prefect. Now me a central regional SRC president. Former. You rolling out this policy no. You rolling You rolling out this policy no. Yet you answer friend. Former school prefect, former DD. See uncle domo so come here say the program no say run more. Yes. The records are there. Me community school Agri Memorial AME Zion Secondary School. Me real school mu hono me swing.
Ade.
Ori class baako ni atinya packing kwala sasadi. Class 2 content just 50 students. The chrome is 300 students they were the same class. Now teacher dey be that child there. And then because of free SHS they were buying questions for the students. African Education Watch and other people were complaining about it.
Okay.
And then KNUST, a lot of people inside KNUST are more AA students, no.
Okay.
They don't know their left from right. I can come on day, one more empty me.
Right.
So what I would say is Ghana for Benya Abayhu.
Okay.
The government actually mean well for the ordinary Ghanaian citizen. Talking about these forest reserves, let me just quickly rush there. I think the punishment was too harsh.
Okay.
No, I think we shall share 8-10.
Yeah.
I can't 3 minutes.
20 kura. Mama 20 no kura.
No, say 20 minutes.
And I can't 3 minutes.
Okay, fine. That's the remember on top. Look at the forest reserves are almost 3 years here. Added here. Added. Chairman, I want to make case idea actually. How many months in it? How many years in it? Multimedia the seconds actually will be because of say work hands. You see, we should be serious.
Right.
The speed that you use here in jailing some of these people, you should use the same speed in jailing, other politicians. The Galam says. And I'm very confident on your program beyond reasonable doubt. Say me, Ibrahim Ali Amitihe. If within the coming months, the current Ashanti regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party say abayan timi an kana sem yie amfa no anko mo ya njeli na I state on your bigger platform say me Ibrahim Ali I will resign from the National Democratic Congress.
That's a strong statement.
Oh yes, and I mean it.
It's in court.
Yes, you see.
And then run a back.
Yes, you see, they are hasting slowly.
We have had cases.
Yes.
Yes. And with evidence, Attorney General be put forward in Nkusifi.
Evidence
so the statement you are making is very strong.
It's profound. You see, I'm saying this because I know what I'm talking about. And I have already done my own investigation. And I'm here very convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say Chairman Wontumi is guilty. Even though the courts, the competent court of jurisdiction, yes,
the case is in court.
but yes, I won't go in the details. But I think that it is important so one because as somebody by Martin Bobin Martin Pebo am solid evidence.
But there are so many galamsey yes ewo kru mu a mpanimfo ehhehya se mampani kan na o opposition
say they are big men report no. We are here domusoko.
Okay.
Yes, I can assure you say currently no the dockets of about 7 of them are ready.
Wow.
Ghana for na betin some ne.
Galamsey for no
the bigger fishes. Smaller fishes there you go see yomo.
Okay.
You be yomo in abafie. They are not the targets.
Okay.
One more Wontumi NDC touch and facts here and all those stuff. One more no we are the targets. See na you drew one say Chairman Wontumi. You did it to ma. No bianco jina baby make say and a political witch hunting at the end. I am convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say acha by next year no demon so.
No, that one you cannot say that because Emra and Eko a court in India.
And I'm sure say with the evidence at hand. I have no doubt.
But you are not the Attorney General. You are not in court.
But that's why I'm putting pressure on them. That with this evidence, no one's my evidence
you are not.
Then you're incompetent.
Debbie, you are not a judge.
I'm not a judge.
Yes, so we can't take that. Who can say who expect it? Who expectations? And they say inquiry.
My expectation are extremely high, 99.99%. I expect extremely high, 99.99%. The Chairman want to be there.
Okay.
Shama you to me, madam.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, sir, and yeah, you soon as scapegoats.
Okay, thank you. Ali, no, Ibrahim Ali, NDC communications team member, or National Communications team, no, and our team in Kano.